So now the one way we can improve this interface is by creating aliases for our styles so that instead of image-float-right, we have something like image to the right, which might be a little bit easier for site editors to read. So let's go ahead and jump back to our browser where we're an administrator. And let's go to the site editor profile under Wysiwyg profiles. And under CSS, we have one more input that we've left blank so far, which is CSS classes. And if you read the options here, it says optionally define CSS classes for the font style drop-down list. Enter one class on each line in the format title equals class. And then, for example, my heading equals header 1. So let's go ahead and add a new item here called image on right, and we'll equal image float right, which is the class that we supplied. Let's go ahead and save this. And let's jump back over to the browser where we're a site editor and click edit on the home page. And now under styles, we have image on right. If we highlight the image right here, we see that our class is automatically selected in the styles section.